Hi, this is Betsey Delorey. I'm wanting to demonstrate my enhancement number 4. Here is my homepage for the website. Links and everything are working. We'll go ahead and run the products controller from the URL line. And that brings up the new product management page. Navigation, links are working. And we have a new link to add a new category. And we have a new link to add a new product. So I'll show the insertion of a new category. If we try to input without data, we get an error message. Please provide new category name. So we'll add our category, and the new category comes out on the menu bar. If we go to new product and we try to insert without data, we get the same message. Please input for all fields. So we'll add a new product. Description. We'll just fill in for the rest of the fields. All the fields are covered. Double check that. The numbers work because they're also text. Add a product. Congratulations, memory fog was successfully added. So if we go to our database, you can see that a new category has been added. And if we go to the inventory table, we can see that a new product has been added. So product management page, go and validate. CSS, no errors. HTML on the product management page, no errors. Go to the add new category page, validate the HTML, and there are no errors or warnings. We'll go back and go to the new product page and validate the HTML, and there's no warnings. So I think that's everything. Thanks for watching.